It's a 2009 Toyota Camry. We're about to change the PCV hose back here that goes to the exhaust. They collapse. First thing we gotta do is take these two 10mm off. You take them off, you take this out. This is the hose I'm talking about right here that we're about to change. There's a clamp right here. Take this clamp off. Then you can take this hose off. This is your PCV valve. So if you want to replace that, this is not where you're supposed to replace it. This right here. Okay? Okay, the hose goes down to the exhaust. I'm going to kind of lift my camera up to show you where it goes. As you can see, it goes right down there. See that? See that? Right there. Right down here. You take a flathead screwdriver and you go ahead and you take that off right here, and then you pull the hose off. All right? That's the hose that we're about to replace. So go ahead and take yours off, and then we'll be ready to put the new one on. It's just a flathead screwdriver. Take it off, and then you'll be able to get that hose off of this. The reason why I'm replacing this hose is because it collapses a lot. These cars like to collapse these hoses. So if the hoses collapse, your engine won't breathe good. See that? See that? See how soft the hose is? It collapses on the inside. See all that? Now here go the hose that I purchased for that. The hose is I'm gonna leave it in the description in the back. See how the hose look? Just like this. They usually just have a little clamp down there. Not the type of clamp that came off the orange hose. They usually have a squeeze clamp, but they don't have it, so I'm gonna see if these clamps could still fit back on that same piece at the bottom. Alright, so this is my new hose. See it? It's got a bent. And that's how it is. That's the hose. It's go from the PCV valve to the exhaust in the back. Okay, I got the hose on up top. I put my clamp back here, and I'm just gonna clamp it. You don't have to do it that tight, just enough to where it won't come off. And you also do the same thing at the bottom. Just like you took the bottom off like you do up here, you take it off. We just replaced the hose that go from the PCV valve to the exhaust intake. Alright, it's called the engine PCV valve and intake hose, I think. Here goes the box. Got it off of Amazon. Alright, so that's the end of this video. This also came with a PCB valve. I will be putting it in later. So this came off of Amazon and it came with a PCB valve. I think I paid less than $20. But that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Like, comment, share. Alright, so until the next one, big up to the Virgin Islands. Keyboard Dan says so. Most of our big up to the Virgin Islands. St. Croix, my island, the capital. Yeah. Big up to all the massive them from the Virgin Islands. Keyboard Dan says so. Alright, till the next one.